Why do you need Semiosis 101 to help you enhance how you visually communicate? On this Semiosis 101 YouTube channel, I post 10-minute free episodes explaining Charles Sanders Peirce's pragmatic semiotic theory of semiosis, semiotic sign action, in designer-centric contexts. Semiosis 101 is unique in doing this for you creatives. Peirce's theory of semiosis is a strong structure to enhance how you visually communicate to your target audiences. However, the issue for you creatives is that Peirce's philosophical writings and terminology are very obtuse. Useful, but obtuse. I am Dave Wood, a design educator and researcher, a published design author, and I have worked commercially as both a freelance illustrator and graphic designer. I use Semiosis 101 on YouTube, Patreon, and Substack to provide you all with a designer-centric translation of Peirce's semiosis, using examples from illustration and graphic design. Currently, there are over 450 semiotic videos available on YouTube for you designers and illustrators to access for free. On Semiosis 101, I translate Peirce's brilliant theory into designer-centric language, which you creators will understand and can follow. Peirce's semiosis can help you illustrators and designers to improve how to visually communicate to your audiences more effectively. After all, you creators study design and illustration and not philosophy, so you need theory centered to your creative needs. Yes, that is why you need Semiosis 101. These free YouTube video episodes are supported with a written semiotic resource on Substack. You can access free episode transcripts. However, for Semiosis 101 heroes with a paid Substack subscription, you can access exclusive semiotic writings and podcasts. Finally, if you were a Semiosis 101 producer on Patreon, you can be watching all season episodes months in advance of YouTube, plus exclusive to Patreon extra episodes too. Just saying.